That's that grease. I'm gonna be like, last time your hands was ashy, you feel me? That's the
You gonna bring that back up? Tell them what I used to do to people ankles. It's like
grease. I'm gonna be like, last time your hands was ashy, you feel me? That's the
you gonna bring that back up?
Yeah, son. You possibly prepared, you know?
You said you was thinking about the consumer.
Yeah. We got all your needs, player.
Say you need some lotion? I got you, bro. Say less. Say less.
This is like a quick install. Let's see. Because I'm thinking we're going to have to reassemble the whole thing. I'm like,
man, the stand ain't, we ain't take out the stand yet. That's why I'm saving for last. Yeah, man, he be wilding around that corner.
what he in a hurry for?
He gotta take a doo-doo.
You all right?
I told you I have a problem with red meat.
You gotta admit that was a good burger though, right? You sure you're all right?
Yeah, it doesn't last long.
Oh!
Must gotta take a doo-doo.
Where is he going?
That man got a shit. Come on, bro.
He literally just...
Ain't nobody was in his way either.
That's what I'm saying. Like, who are you honking?
He's warning people like, yo, I ain't stopping. That's what he's doing.
Like, who
I'm
are
not
you?
stopping. Get out my way. That's what he's doing.
Who are you honking at? Man, look at this man.
This is how we move that shit over there.
So what's your initial thoughts on it? How you liking it so far?
It looks beautiful.
Okay.
Looks like it's gonna be a little bit easier.
Right.
I hope so. Give it a full verdict.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna be tomorrow.
Okay.
I ain't doing that right now. Like, at all. I need to find out what size these are so I can just tie in everything.
Right.
But yeah, I see how it's supposed to look.
See who's going to be the first card these go on. Oh, that one there. My bad.
See, the test dummy for everything. Vaccine.
Damn. No disrespect, though, blue card.
Nah, I ain't disrespect. It's love.
That's love?
You gotta get bullied before you get love.
Yeah, I guess. Damn.
We gotta figure out what size this shit is. Guess a number.
Alright, I'm gonna say 18.
Use some light.
Oh, shit.
Light this back there.
Like I said this is an 18. I could be wrong. When in doubt, 18 is the route.
It's a good guess. It's a good guess.
Oh, that's on the money?
It got a little bit of play. Let's see if it's 17. But I ain't gonna lie, you might have got it on the first try. I was gonna say 17, but yeah, you got it. 18 on the money. First try.
Let's get it.
See? It's in your blood, bro. That's what it is. It's in your blood.
The jeans. I need to buy me a set of like wrenches and ratchets.
Uh-huh.
You ain't got no rag?
I'm good. Huh.
Okay. That should be good. Hopefully it won't knock you in your head.
You not Jason?
Oh my.
No matter bloody you fucking with saying shit like it's a joke. Go fuck around, get your bloody eye. That shit happened. I'm like,
You're gonna get a contusion.
See, nah, you see the bullshit? Want me to be fucked up out here?
I thought you wanted a vacation.
No, that ain't a vacation. That is sick time.
Ooh.
Where I deserve this though.
Oh God. I knew he was gonna do that.